Okay, part 3 is serpentine belt. So after we pull this bracket out, set it to the side. There's our belt. And what I did is I got a 1/2 inch from the bottom, just because I think it's easier to do from there. And I relieve the tension off of it. Here. And there's a screw here, and a screw here, and a clip here. Just take them off, give you easier access, as you can see right there. Turn it counterclockwise and take the belt off, and then put it back on. And installation is reverse of removal. If you like these videos, please subscribe and like. Thanks. This is Jeff with All Around Auto Tech signing out.